The reason why I'm showing this to the people that if you are not manufacturing, why would you have this?
That's right.
Right?
And
that's where the FlexiShield is being made. Made in Arizona,
that's right.
Phoenix, 100% made in USA.
हाँ जी लैंड कर गए हैं फिनिक्स एरिज़ोना यूएसए में
फिनिक्स में
और अब रास्ते में है फ्लेक्सीशील्ड की तरफ जा रहे हैं के ऑफिस में सो वी आर अप्रोचिंग पेरेंट कंपनी है फाइनली वी आर हियर आपको दिखाते हैं अंदर भी फ्लेक्सीशील्ड का ऑफिस
So we are at the FlexiShield, going inside.
FlexiShield के ऑफिस में हैं हम and these are some colors the new ones just came out ये दिखाते हैं आपको जब ये कलर फिल्म्स बनाते हैं तो ये ओरिजिनल कलर पिगमेंट्स हैं जो उसमें डाले जाते हैं कलर PPF में दिस इज़ नॉट समथिंग लाइक कोई प्रिंटेड मटेरियल नहीं होता दिस इज़ समथिंग लाइक अ रियल कलर पिगमेंट्स जो यूज़ करे जाते हैं कलर्स के साथ कलर PPF के साथ FlexiShield की विंडो फिल्म्स लॉन्च करने जा रहे हैं हम इंशाल्लाह सून इन पाकिस्तान Oh, I can see Aaron there. Let's see. Let's meet him. Hey Aaron, how you doing?
Hammad, good to see you. How are you?
I'm good. I'm sorry I'm on the camera.
You got me on camera? All right.
You are the hero. FlexiShield hero.
Yeah, we're here. We are just working on some marketing things actually.
Oh, that's amazing.
It's actually really good timing.
So this is the window films?
Yeah, so it's the window films. We're rolling out these 4 new lines.
Oh, this is the newer film we were talking about?
That's right. So this is the BHP. And obviously, you can see some quick specs on here. The total amount is a 6 mil polyurethane, so deep 7.5 total with all layers.
Okay.
And if you can see here,
7.5 mils, right?
That's right. That's right. And then you see here. So here we are. We are in there, and it's really doing well for us. And you know, you want to take a look at it. Obviously, our marketing stepped up quite a bit, but you know.
So this is basically still the top of the line is WSH Pro.
That's right.
Then it's WSH.
That's right.
With these are our cosmetic PPFs.
Yeah.
And this is the STH, which is going to be upgraded soon to the cosmetic PPF.
Right.
And then of course this one is the BHP, which is just launched. But this is the cheapest option available.
It's the least expensive.
Least expensive, not cheapest. Yeah.
But with still like the American raw material quality.
Okay.
You get it's a 7-year warranty on it.
7 years.
Yeah. So it is.
And that includes the yellow too.
Guys, we are going to give you some glimpse about the manufacturing. People who says that it's just a brand. It's not a brand. It's a lifestyle, bro. I'm telling you, this is a lifestyle. This is FlexiShield warehouse. All the marketing materials here. Yeah. This is their one of the facility.
Okay.
All right.
That's it, guys.
Gonna get a sneak peek.
Yes.
Just one peek. Okay.
Okay.
All right. But this is how you're seeing. Obviously, we're working on things right now. And it's pretty high. We have one person doing quality. On the other side, running the machine. You can take a quick glance in there, but that's it.
All right, there you go, guys. It exists.
There we go. That's where the FlexiShield is being made.
Yeah.
Made in Arizona, Phoenix, 100% made in USA.
Yeah. In the desert.
In the desert, yeah. And tell us about this machine right there. You told me this last time.
This is one of my favorite parts.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is how we're able to stay, 99% non-pollution. Because all this thing is a massive oven. You can see the massive blower motor right there. It blows it in there, and it basically, we scorch it and it vaporizes. It's basically water vapor that comes out the top. We were told by the city that we are cleaner in manufacturing than a window frame manufacturer next door. And it's all due to this machine.
What they're manufacturing next door?
Window frames.
Window frames, okay.
But like, so here you see these two tubes. One from the very top, that's from the mixing room, right? So that's where your top coat and your adhesive is being mixed.
Okay.
It's also very dangerous. But all those vapors come through here, they're blasted through the furnace, out the top, basically water vapor. This is from the manufacturing line and all the heaters that are on it along the way that help make the PPF and the window film.
And how much roughly this machine usually cost?
Oh, well, there's only 2 companies in the entire US that service these things. So I can't give you an exact number because we're doing public. But just understand, it's well into the 5 figures just to service it 4 times a year. And the machine itself is upward of, it's very expensive.
Very expensive. Yeah. And why would you have this if you are not manufacturing? The point is this, reason why I'm showing this to the people, that if you are not manufacturing, why would you have this?
That's right.
Right?
And that's why we have our power banks here, and we have our backup generator. So this can actually finish a run. Let's say all the power goes out during a run. This generator has enough in it to do the 3 passes.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. So here you go, guys. This is FlexiShield, and this is for the people who says that it's not being made in the US. So this is, I'm sorry that as you are now, that disappoints you that it is made in USA. So all of these films.
Raw material, things like that.